In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect YouTube Music to Discord status. First things first, you want to head over to your browser and search for a specific extension called YouTube Discord Presence. Head over to the Chrome Web Store, and from here you want to get the extension that they have provided. Basically, right after that, we can just click on our extension right here, click on the YouTube Discord presence, and you want to make sure that the enable extension is opened and the enable on startup is also opened. Right after, you just want to head over to this GitHub page called YouTube Discord Presence, scroll down, and under installation, we want to navigate through the second step, which is to download the YTD setup.msi. You want to click on the releases button and it will take you to this page. And from here, you want to click on the YTDP setup version 142.msi as of the moment, and it will automatically download onto your computer. Click on the save button, and then you want to run this program right here. Now, you want to open it up and install this specific program, and basically from there, you want to restart your Discord application. Unfortunately, I already have it installed to my device, so I'm not going to run the installer twice. But once again, you want to restart your Discord to make sure that everything works perfectly. And then we can now head over into something like YouTube Music and play something random right here. And basically from there, it will then work. If we head over to our own Discord, click on our profile right here, we can see that as of the moment I'm playing YouTube Music, I'm Yours by Jason Mraz. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.